These everyday products cost just $1, but making them is a massive industrial process.
Everything starts with raw materials arriving in bulk, sometimes by the ton, every single day. These tiny plastic pellets are melted at extreme temperatures to form liquid plastic. High-pressure machines inject the molten plastic into perfectly shaped metal molds. Within seconds, the mold opens, and a finished product drops out, still hot.
One machine can produce thousands of items every single hour without stopping.
Robotic arms instantly trim away extra material to make each product flawless. Smart cameras scan every item and reject anything that doesn't meet quality standards. Nothing is wasted. Defective items are shredded and reused again.
Human workers step in to organize and pack the finished products.
Automated machines fold boxes faster than the human eye can track. Every box is digitally counted to ensure exact quantities.
Boxes are sealed instantly to keep costs and time as low as possible. Thousands of products are wrapped together, ready for shipping. Forklifts move massive loads through warehouses the size of football fields.
These products are loaded onto trucks and sent across the country.
Just days later, they appear on store shelves for $1.
Most people never think about how much work goes into something this cheap.
Many factories run 24 hours a day to keep prices unbelievably low.
Stopping the machines would actually cost more than running them non-stop. Speed and efficiency are the secret behind $1 products.
Perfection at scale is what keeps costs incredibly low.
Quality checks still matter, even at massive production levels.
Recycling inside factories saves money and reduces material waste.
Switching molds allows factories to make new products in minutes. Large factories operate dozens of machines at the same time. Every inch of the factory is designed for speed and efficiency. Multiple production lines feed into one powerful system.
Even labeling is fully automated to save seconds.
Millions of these items ship out every week.
And they sell out faster than you'd expect.
From raw plastic to finished product in just minutes. This process looks simple, but it's industrial precision. Every machine is perfectly timed to avoid delays. Technology keeps everything running smoothly. That $1 price hides an incredible system behind it.
Now you know what really goes into making a $1 product. Follow for more inside looks at how everyday products are made.